In a world that moves ever faster, we often lose touch with the art of creation. Every detail, every curve, every moment crafted with intention. Not for speed, not for show, but for soul. A journey of dedication where modern haste gives way to timeless craftsmanship, and passion fuels every move, every design, every execution. Because to create something that lasts is to slow down, to listen. Not just to what is seen, but what is felt. Every surface has a purpose, every texture a reason to exist. Not excess, not decoration, but clarity, shaped through restraint and respect for form. On the journey, road becomes more than distance. It's a rhythm of memory, motion, and the quiet persistence of legacy. Each turn a conversation between man and machine. Each mile a reminder that beauty isn't built in haste. It's earned through patience and purpose. This is the art of lasting creation, unspoken, unrushed, and remembered.